Yeah, end up letting the wheels go. The forge raised, let them go back to my brother. Those are the ones who I originally got them from. So I let him get them back. At least they stand in the family. I ain't need them. You know what I'm saying? That's his forte. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let him slide in them. Do his thing. 19-inch forge wheels. They was cool. Had a good little summer last summer. Got a lot of compliments. This and the third and the daddy driver, but you know what I'm saying? I'm just riding stock. You know what I'm saying? I don't need them drinks for real. Focus on this truck. But yeah. So that's that on that. You want to check him out, Midnight Blue, on his YouTube and IG. You can check him out, see what he gonna do with him. He got some more upgrades coming as well. So shout out to him. Yeah, Midnight Blue on IG and YouTube. So yeah, we're gonna get ready to get on this highway. Get on the slab. Back to the crib. But that's one of the things I had to do today. So those was gone out the way. Saved me a little storage space. They was in my storage, so saved me a little space. Like I said, we're gonna focus on some different stuff this year. Yeah, this focus is different. You know, focus is different. Other than that, we still moving and grooving. You know what I'm saying? On the grind, doing what we gotta do, and got some more things coming. Slowly but surely, you know what I'm saying? Slow progress, better than no progress. So yeah, that's done and out the way. And like I said, we're gonna focus on some more different things. But yeah, let me go ahead and get on this highway. And I'll catch y'all back on in a minute, alright? We just slide, yo, we just slide. That area out here, I think I left that window cracked over here. That's what you hear. So yeah, we about to hit a little bit of traffic. Sliding back to the crib. Chilling with the bro and Mom Dukes for a little bit. Definitely get some good therapy and riding though. My type of therapy. Try to keep this phone steady while we in traffic. But yeah, we in the first quarter of the year. Almost close to the end of January. We here, first quarter of the year. Hope y'all got your goals set, stuff like that, even if it's small ones. You know what I'm saying? Set some small goals and definitely try to work hard and grind to achieve them. One of the goals this year, definitely, I really want to. That is the plan. I want to get this truck, the Old Dominion truck show at the end of the year. So that's one of my goals to do. Definitely. A lot of shows, a lot of car shows, a lot of meets, stuff like that. We're gonna definitely hit a lot of meets, but that's one show I'm looking forward to. Is the Old Dominion show. Old Dominion C10 rally. If we can make that, that's what's up. You know what I'm saying? But we definitely trying to get right. You know what I'm saying? Respectable. And hold on, my fault, y'all. They tripping. What the heck going on? But yeah, we definitely trying to make, my fault, y'all. We definitely trying to make that show, that C10 rally show in Old Dominion, just proper. You know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to look the best. We ain't trying to be the cleanest, but we is trying to be, you know, respectfully. You know what I'm saying? Pull up right. Yeah. Yeah, y'all know how to tap in with y'all. You know what I'm saying? On this journey, doing what we gotta do. Y'all hit that like button. Hit that like button. Show me some love. Show your boy some love. Out here doing what we gotta do by any means games. But yeah, hope y'all have been liking the videos. Definitely been trying to record when I can. Brother be tired, we all be tired, you know what I'm saying? But definitely trying to make time when I can make these videos. Turn y'all around right quick. It's that rush hour truck. But shoot, we got like 2 more exits to go though, so I ain't worried about too much. But y'all keep checking in, you know what I'm saying? Tap in with your boy, you know what I'm saying? Hit that like button, subscribe. By any means gang, we gone.